Good day students. Previous class we had introduction from 30 till 100, 20 and 10s we had done our first chapter. So in fifth chapter we are here till 100. Now your page number 68. Page number 68 you will be doing as classwork. So let us do together. Numbers from 21 till 40. So now we are doing numbers from 21 till 40. 21 till 40. Till 20 we finished in our first chapter. Fifth chapter we started from 21 till 100. 21 till 100. So now we will do one part, that is 21 till 40. Here after 20, 21, how do you write? In tens place we have two bundles of tens, ones place one single one. After that we have again two bundles of 10 but two ones. Similarly this goes two bundles of 10, three ones, two bundles of 2, 4 ones, two bundle of 2 tens, 5 ones, two bundle of 10, 6 ones. This continues till we reach 9, that is 2 bundle of tens, 9 bundle of ones. Now this one has reached till 9. When it reached to 10, when this number reaches 10, we know we shift it as a bundle of tens. When ones reaches a point 10, we change it to the next denomination of tens. From ones we change it to tens. So here 9, this was going to be the 10th bundle. So here instead of two bundles, still now we are working with two bundles. We are working with two bundles and single 1, single 2, single 9. So 9th bundle, when one more stick was added in 9, it became a bundle of 10. So how many bundles of 10 we have now? 3. So how do we write? We write here, instead of 9, ones will become 0 and 10 position will have 3. Look, we have a bundle of 10, another bundle of 10. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Now these are 9 sticks. One more stick I am adding. So this is becoming 10 ones. 10 ones together made one bundle of tens, right? So we have one bundle of 10, two bundle of tens, 3 bundles of. Can you see any single ones? No, we don't have any single ones. So that position we put 0 and tens position we change it to 30. Similarly, we continue here, tens, ones. Here 3 will continue here in tens position because we are having 3 bundles of tens. Next we take one more stick, 3 bundles of 10, one more stick. So we write here, under tens we write 3, under ones we write 1. Next, again this will be same, this will continue being same, but ones will keep changing. Ones will keep changing every time. How you keep going down, the numbers will keep changing. So after that, this is same. We still have 3 bundles of 10. Now I took one more 1. So it becomes 2. Third one. 1 became 1's position we have now 3. Next. 1's position we have 4. Still 3 bundle of 10s. Now it is 5. Again still 30, there 30, but this is changing from 5 to 6. Now 7, 8, 9. Now we have reached 9. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we are taking our last number 10. Now we have 10 ones. So this 10 ones has made one bundle of 10s. One bundle of 10s. How many ones we need? We need 10 ones to make one bundle of 10s. So this is our next bundle ready. Our next bundle is ready. So how many bundles we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have now 4 bundles. So what do we write? 4, 0. Why 1 has a value of 0 now? Because we have no single stick. See, 1 bundle, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bundles of 10s, but no single ones. So this becomes 0. Now what we have here is same 21 to 40. We had learned number names from 1 to 10. Then number names from 11 to 20. 1 to 10, 11 to 20. Now here. When we write 21, the numbers we have learnt is ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. We have 1 till 10. Here we are starting with bundles of 10. That is first 10, that is 1 bundle of 10. Next TWENTY 20. 2 bundles of 10. When 3 bundles come, we tell it as 30. THIRTY. 30. When 4 bundles are there, we call it 40. FORTY. 40. When 5 bundles of 10s are there, we call it as 50. 50. Next, we have 6 bundles of 10. We call it as 60. 7 bundles, SEVENTY, 70. 8 as in 80. 9 bundles, 90. And when we come to 10th 10th bundle, 10 bundles of tens, 10 bundle of tens. We call it as HUNDRED, 100. We tell it as 100. How will you write 10? We write 10 as 1, 0, 20, 2, 0, 30, 3, 0, 40, 4, 0, 50, 5, 0, 60, 6, 0, 70, 7, 0, 80, 8, 0, 90, 9, 0, and 100 will be here. What I told you previous class was when 10th, that is 10th ones get inside this, it becomes one bundle of tens. 10th ones. The 10th one, when it gets inside, this becomes one bundle of tens. Similarly, when 10 such bundles club together, we go to hundreds. So rest all of these become 0. So we write it as 1 in 100 place, 0 in tens place, again one more 0 in ones place. So this is denoting as 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and last 100. What you have to do in page 68 is, they have shown 2 bundles of color pencil, one single color pencil. So 20 plus 1, they have already written for you 21. So here, how do you write 21? 21 in numbers. Now we are taking only tens and ones, as we have not reached 10th bundle of tens. So we are just in second bundle of tens. We did 20, 20 spelling you know, TWENTY, 20. Now we are adding 1 ones, 20 and 1 ones. So this becomes 21. 21. How do you write in words? What we have to do is TWENTY, 20, that is this 20, and what is the spelling of 1? Only that you have to write, ONE, 1. So you are writing 20, 20, 1. 2 under tens, 20, 1 under ones, 1. Next, 2 and 2, 2 under tens, again you will write 20, 2 under ones. So you will just write the spelling of 2. We write here TWO, 2. Similarly continues till 29. 23 you write 20 and 3 spelling. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This continues till 29. So here what do? We write 20, we write 3 here. 24, 25, 26. When you come to 29, you again write the same thing. You write what here? You have 20. So you write here 20, TWENTY, 20. And under ones, you have 9. So you write 9. So 29. Now, once we have reached 9, we are coming to the 10th one. When 10th one comes, we go to the next denomination, that is 30. So we make this as 0, and we increase to 3. So this becomes 30. 30 spelling we had learned. THIRTY. 30. Right. So 21 till 30. Similarly, it goes from 31 to 40. What is a simple change here is, instead of 20, what we will be writing is 30, where 3 comes under tens, 1 comes under ones. So under tens we have 3, so we write here 30, and under ones we have 1, so we write here 1. Similarly 32, so here we write THIRTY, 32. This goes on till 39. So here it is THIRTY, 39. Now here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number has come to 9. Now this 9 is going to become 10. When it becomes 10, so we shift the whole thing to tens denomination. So 3 will become 4, 9 becomes 0. Till that, this all will remain as only 3. After 39, it changes to 40. So when we come to this page 68, they have given bundle of 2 bundles of color pencils with different single numbers. They have written the name also. First one 21, 22, next one they have put as 25, fourth one 28, last one they have given 3 bundles of 10. 3 bundles of 10 would be 30, right? Now here they have given you boxes. In each boxes you have to write the correct name. If it is 21, they have given 21 as a number to you. They are writing tens and ones. So under ones, what will go under ones? One single number, that is 1. Under tens, 20, 20. So 2 is under tens. So how do you write? 2 under tens, 1 under ones. Next one, 22. Will follow same. 2 under tens, 2 under ones. Now you come to 25. 25. What will happen? 20 will come under tens. We have 2 sets of tens. 5 single ones. So this is how you segregate. Last one, 30. 30. 30. 3 bundle of tens and no ones. So here one more which you have to do is 28. You can do it yourself. Next below we have 31, 32, 36 and 40. 31 they have done for you. 32, 36. This 2 numbers you have to bifurcate and write under tens and ones. This will be your classwork you have to do. Now going to page number 69. Page number 69. Here we have 41 to 50. What we learnt was from 21 to 40. We learned from 21 to 40. Now we have 41 to 50. 41 to 50. 40 spelling was F-O-R-T-Y, 40. When 1 is also coming, we get, what we have to write is O-N-E-1, that's all, O-N-E-1. After 49, the number which comes last is 50. So how you write 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Till then it will continue as 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 9, the 10th number will go to 10th position. 10th one will go to 10th position, making it as 50. So here they have given you under denomination tens and ones. They have given you numbers under tens and 1. 4 under this, 1 under this. What you have to do is simply write it together. 41. This is two different numbers. You have to write together, making it as 41. This is first one. Same thing. The next one would be 42. If you write together, it would be 4 to 42. This will continue till 50. So how you write 50 together? That is 5 and 0. The remaining you have to do it yourself. Now same page, we have a train there. We have a train with multiple bogies and missing number in between. So here we have 31 given to us. We have 35 given, and last one 40. So what you have to do is fill these up. You have to fill all of these in between, the missing numbers. So after 31 what comes? After 1 comes 2. So 33 remains. The next number would be 2. Similarly, I have to fill this up. Below this we have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks where they have given you 28 and they have given you another option as tens and ones. Now you have to segregate. How do you write 28? Next 2 is 20. 20, it is 28, right? 20, 2 bundles of 10. So you write 2 under 10. Similarly, you have to do 44 and 23. Finish it. Next, what we have is, they have given the direct opposite part. D, 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. So 3 tens, that means 3 bundle of tens. So you write 3 bundles of 10. 6 ones, 6 single ones. So you write 6. So it becomes 36. Similarly, you have to do E and F. So where you have 3 tens and 9 ones. Then 4 tens and 2 ones. So that you have to fill here. Now going to page number 70. Number from 51 to 100. 1 to 20 we did in first chapter, then we did 21 to 40, next we did 41 to 50. This is 51 to 100. Now here also it's the same thing what they have given you as we did the previous one. Tens, ones, 50, 5 and 1. So what you have to do is, one box is there down, you have to write this number down as 51 and write the number name. So 50, what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50, then O-N-E, 1, 51. Similarly, you have to do till 65. Same thing you have to do till 65 as your classwork. Page number 71, 66 to 90 and page number 72, 91 till 100 is your homework. The method is totally same, no difference. Tens, under tens and ones, the number is given. This number you have to write together with the name. If it is 91, you have to just write 91, 9 and 1 together plus name 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y-O-N-E 1, 91. That's it. Till 100. That's all you have to do. Below there is one lion. There is one lion here from number 1 to 50. So you have to join all the lines from 1 till 50. And the animal which comes out, the name of that animal in this picture you have to write here down. Plus you have to color it. So this is your homework. This part is your homework. Plus even in page number 70, we have matched the following where they have given 38, 24, 42 and 35. With different number names. These number names you have to match with the correct name here. You have to search for 38 here, match it with 38. 24 here, match it. So your homework would be page number 70, third exercise, page number 71, 66 to 90, 70 to 91 to 100 and the lion below, these four, 70, 71, 72. Count. Forward is what we're going to do first. Go to page 73. There you find the concept of count forward and backward. Now what is count forward? Like we did in previous chapter, it is where you go one step front every time in a number line. What is number line? Number line is a line starting from 0 which continues here. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now we are already in 2-digit number. 1-digit number is a single number. A single number is called 1-digit number. That is from 1 to 9. Only till 1 to 9 is a single 1-digit number. A single number, that is 1-digit number, 1 to 9. Here in 1-digit number, 1 is the smallest number and 9 is the biggest number. The smallest number, the most smallest number is 1 and the biggest number, there is no other number bigger than 9 in 1-digit number. When we come to 10, see, you can see two numbers, 1, 2. There are two numbers, that is 1 and 2, 1 and 0. 1 and 0 makes 10. 1 and 0, when they come together, make 10. This continues till 99. 99. 1 and 0, from 1 and 0 it continues till 99. 99 again you can see two numbers. 9 and 9 coming together will make 99. So again here in 10 it is the smallest number for 2-digit and 99 is the biggest number. There is no other number bigger than 99. Now what we are seeing is from all the 2-digit numbers count for. We did count forward for single-digit number, 2-digit number till 20. We did till 20. Now we have started in this chapter from 21 and we will do till 100. So 21 till 100. Now the first one which they have given you is from 70 till 90. They have given from 70 till 99. Okay, here you have to go forward in the number line. So let's make the number line. Starting from 70. So after 0 we have 1, so 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 9 ones in ones. After 9 the 10th ones will convert to go to tens number. So 7 will become 8, ones position it will be 0. After 80, this from here the line is here, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and again you can see 9th ones position, one more 1 comes, it will become 10, so you make it 0 and 8 will become 9. Next 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and we have 100. Now here count forward, you have to go front After 80, 81. This is just a continuation line. So after 80, 81. What you have to do is, after 70, they have given blank. So you have to fill these blanks. 70, after 70, what comes? 71. So you have to fill here 71. Next, 72. Similarly, you have to fill this line. Second line, also same. You have 82. So you have to fill all this. 94 till 99. So this will be your classwork. Finish this up. Next we will be going to backward counting. What is backward counting? You have seen your fathers taking the car reverse. So going back. Now once your father parks a car, it goes and stops in a particular position. You have wall in front. Can he go front? He can't go forward. Why? Because there is a blockage of a wall. So what he has to do? He has to come back. So that is called reverse, backward. So that same concept we will put in the number line. So here, forward, we go this direction. That is from left to right in count forward. When it comes for count backward, we have to go in reverse direction. That is, from right we go to left. From right we go to left. So we start counting any number which is given here. We have to go back side. We have to come this side. Now here they have given you 80. Starting is 80. Then next is 73. So continues. So where is 80? 80 is here. So count backward, you have to come back. 79, 78. Again one step back. From 80 you went back. Again one more back. You have to go on till you reach 73. So every step you have to write. 78, next 77, 76, 75, 74, and there you are 73. Clear? Similarly you have to do the other two columns also. Now again illustrating the forward counting. Here I am in position 0. If I have to go front, I take one step, then one more step, then one more step. Similarly is what you are doing here in the number line. You go one step front, front and front. So your line is here, number line is here. Your number starts from 0. So from 0 you go one step front, that is 1. Next one more step front, 2. And when it comes to backward counting, so your father has parked the car. He can't go front. This is the blockage. So he has to come back. Similarly, if you are in 3, you come one step back. 2, another 1, and then last 0. Fine. So now here in number line, you start from 5. Let's say 5. You have to reach back till 2. How will you count? So from 5, you go to 4. Then this is the way we went from 0 to 3. So you are coming back. 4, 3. Now next 2. This is the way you are coming back side. Backward counting, going back. Forward counting, going front. So 0 going straight front is forward counting. From any number given, coming to the number of 0 is backward counting. So you understood the concept of backward and forward counting. Your classwork will be for this page number 73, both two, the backward as well as the forward counting, you have to fill it up.